How to use Todoist templates. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can use Todoist templates. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. First things first, let me guide you how you can access it. Well, if you're on your web browser or if you're using the PC browser here now, what you can do is you can proceed to log into your account first. You can see I'm on app.todoist.com and I'm logged in. Then down below, you can see here help and resources option. Click on it towards the bottom left and then click on browse templates option. Then you'll be able to find out various templates. You can search within the templates here, or you can search for particular templates that you want, or you can choose the setup here already, that is popular templates, work templates, personal ones, and then you can see goal tracker, appointment, fitness. So suppose I want to copy this, so what I can do is I can tap on copy to my projects and I can proceed to add this particular template here to my projects here. As you can see, the template has been used here. So this is how you can easily create a template or use the template on Todoist. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.